How long has it been since you last dared to enjoy your favorite snack? Imagine the crunchy taste of a cookie, the sweet melt of a chocolate bite, or the satisfying crunch of potato chips. Just thinking about it makes your mouth water, doesn't it? But for people with diabetes, it's a constant struggle between cravings and the fear of spiking blood sugar levels. But wait. Today, I'm going to help you discover snacks that are both delicious and safe, so you no longer have to give up your favorite treats for the sake of your health. The principle is that foods rich in protein, fiber, healthy fats all help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Doctors advise people with diabetes need to consult their doctors about reasonable nutritional content. Diabetics can snack, but they need to choose healthy snacks and not eat too much to keep blood sugar stable and not gain weight. When choosing snacks for diabetics, the following criteria should be noted. Foods with a low or medium glycemic index, GI index below 70, to safely control blood sugar levels. Snacks that are low in carbohydrates, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, celery, peanuts, sunflower seeds, to not change the patient's blood sugar levels. Healthy snacks that are not high in calories to avoid weight gain or obesity. Read food labels to know the carbohydrate and calorie content of that food. Snacks contain essential nutrients that enhance resistance for diabetics, such as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, etc. Fiber-rich foods help stabilize blood sugar. Foods with clear origin, food safety, and expiration date. 1. Fruits. Fruits are one of the healthy snacks that are good for diabetics. Diabetics should choose fruits with low glycemic index, such as half an apple. Apples are high in fiber, low in calories, and rich in flavonoids that can protect against diabetes. People with diabetes can eat the apple peel when washed. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, a medium-sized apple has a total of about 25 grams of carbs, including 19 grams of sugar, 4 grams of fiber. Fiber aids in glucose metabolism, helping to prevent blood sugar and insulin spikes. However, people with diabetes only eat half an apple for a snack. Grapefruit has a low glycemic index, with a GI of 25 and a glycemic load of 6, which will not increase blood sugar levels rapidly or affect the body's insulin production. Half a medium-sized grapefruit contains about 8 grams of sugar, which is about the same amount as a small apple or orange. Therefore, people with diabetes can eat about 2 to 3 grapefruit segments. Oranges. Oranges have a low GI of 40-50 and are rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Oranges are high in vitamins and antioxidants, which help fight inflammation, prevent heart disease, and oxidative stress. Diabetics can eat 1 to 2 oranges weighing 200 grams. 2. Nuts. A small handful of them, about 1.5 ounces, can pack a big nutritional punch with a low carb count. Diabetics can choose the following nuts to add to their snacks to avoid increasing blood sugar. Walnuts are low in carbs and rich in nutrients such as vitamin B, iron, magnesium, zinc, antioxidants, fiber, etc., which help improve heart health, reduce the risk of cancer, promote brain function, support weight loss, and control blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. Walnuts also contain healthy omega-3 fats that help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Low-carb almonds contain many nutrients: vitamin E, magnesium, riboflavin, copper, phosphorus, manganese, and protein, which promote weight control by reducing hunger and cravings. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and magnesium, which help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and diabetic complications. 28.35 grams of dry chia seeds provide nearly 10 grams of fiber. Diabetics can combine chia seeds with yogurt, oatmeal, fruit, salad. Sunflower seeds have many vitamins and minerals that are good for diabetics, such as copper, vitamin E, selenium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, vitamin B, polyunsaturated fat to help improve and prevent diabetes. Toss back almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, macadamia nuts, cashews, pistachios, or peanuts for a high-fiber snack full of healthy fats. Just be sure to hold the salt. 3. Hummus. Yes, it has carbs, but your body digests them slowly. That means they aren't absorbed as quickly as other carbs and won't spike your blood sugar. The chickpeas in hummus give it lots of fiber and protein to fill you up. Use 1/3 of a cup as a dip for veggies or to spread on whole grain crackers. 4. Eggs. A scrambled egg white is good for a quick protein fix at home, or hard-boil a few to keep in the fridge as on-the-go snacks. 5. Yogurt. The American Diabetes Association, ADA, recommends yogurt as part of a healthy diet for people with diabetes. People with diabetes can choose low-fat yogurt as a snack. Some yogurts may contain added sugar, so people with diabetes should not eat too much yogurt during the day to avoid adding too many calories and fat to the diet. Mix some fresh fruit into plain, low-fat yogurt for a sweet treat that's light on carbs and a great pre-workout snack. Or, if you have a savory tooth, stir in soup mix and use as a dip for veggies or low-salt pretzels. 6. Popcorn. Put 3 cups of the air-popped kind into a sandwich bag as a grab-and-go option that doesn't overload on carbs. With a dash of salt, it's the perfect savory crunch for an afternoon pick-me-up. 7. Avocado. It's yummy as is, but you can also spruce it up for a kick. Mash 3 avocados, add some salsa, cilantro, and a little lime juice, and voila! Guacamole. Keep your serving size to 1/4 cup for a snack that has less than 20 grams of carbs. 8. Sugar-free jelly. The jelly plant contains many alkaloids such as hyatidine, cisamparaine, which help to cool the body, lose weight, and increase the body's resistance. It is a snack that diabetics can choose. Diabetic patients should use unsweetened or less sweet jelly to not affect blood sugar levels. In addition, diabetic patients can choose other types of jelly, such as grass jelly, etc. 9. Corn. Corn provides vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, minerals, potassium, magnesium, iron, zinc, fiber, low sodium, and fat. 1 corn provides about 77 calories, carbohydrates, 17.1 grams, sugar, 2.9 grams, fiber, 2.5 grams, protein, 2.9 grams, fat, 1.1 grams. Corn has a low glycemic index of 52, so it does not affect blood sugar levels. However, diabetics can only eat about half a corn cob, equivalent to 90 grams. 10. Pure chocolate. Pure chocolate, also known as dark chocolate, contains antioxidants. According to the American Heart Association, Pure chocolate helps reduce the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. If diabetics use pure chocolate in moderation, it will bring health benefits. 11. Salad. The main ingredients to make a salad include green vegetables, colorful vegetables, cucumbers, mushrooms, bell peppers, broccoli, asparagus, onions, carrots, and dressing. Some types of salad that diabetics can choose from are fruit salad, chopped chicken salad, cauliflower salad, etc. Diabetics can eat about half a bowl of salad as a snack. 12. Cakes for diabetics. Some cakes for diabetics can be selected as follows. Sugar-free brown rice cake. Made from 100% brown rice, no added sugar, will help support weight loss, good for the heart, support the digestive system of diabetics. Pumpkin cake. A small pumpkin cake is also a choice in snacks for diabetics. Patients can replace refined all-purpose flour with almond flour, which has a lower carb content, combined with pumpkin to create a delicious snack cake. Each small pumpkin cake contains about 16.3 grams of carbs. Spice cake with cream cheese. Diabetics can use a small piece of spice cake with cream cheese containing about 100 calories and 17.5 grams of carbs. This cake combines pureed fruits and vegetables and a cream coating containing sugar-free powder to help reduce carbs and calories, reducing the need to add a large amount of sugar and flour to the body. Doctors' advice when patients want to snack. Diabetics, when choosing snacks, can choose sweet or salty dishes, but need to be appropriate. Eat in moderation to avoid blood sugar spikes. However, diabetics should not starve all day or be too hungry, then consume a large amount of glucose at once in a meal. Instead, patients should maintain main meals, snacks with small to moderate portions, about 2 to 3 hours time to avoid hunger, eating too much at once. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest health tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.